In this video, I'll guide you through how to permanently set the item location on eBay. Whether you're an experienced seller or new to the platform, knowing how to set your item location can be crucial for your sales. It helps potential buyers understand where their item is being shipped from, which can influence their purchase decision. Let's get started by heading over to ebay.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Sell button. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking Sell, you'll be taken to a new page where you can manage your listings. Here, you'll want to click on Listing. This section is where you can handle all things related to the items you're selling on eBay. It's your go-to spot for creating new listings, editing existing ones, and making sure everything is set up just the way you want it. Once you're in the listing section, you'll need to select the specific item you want to update. You can do this by browsing through your list of active listings. Once you've found the item, click on it to open the detailed view. Now that you have the item's details open, scroll down the page until you find a section labeled Preferences. This part of the page is where you can adjust various settings related to your listing, including the crucial detail of item location. Next, you'll want to click on Edit next to the item location settings. This will allow you to input or update the location information. Setting the correct item location is important because it provides transparency to buyers and can affect the shipping options and costs they see. Once you're in the edit mode, you can set the item location. Make sure to enter the most accurate and precise location possible. This not only builds trust with your buyers, but also helps ensure smooth and efficient shipping. Remember, the more accurate your information, the fewer potential issues you'll face down the road. After you've entered the correct location details, the final step is to click Done. This action will save your changes and update the listing to reflect the new item location. By doing this, you ensure that all potential buyers have the right information when considering your item. And there you have it. You've successfully set the item location on eBay. This simple yet essential update can make a significant difference in how your listings are perceived by buyers, potentially leading to more sales and happier customers. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical eBay tips. Happy selling!